Hello friends, on special occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I am going to make Boondi Ladoo, which is very simple recipe yet traditional, one of my favorite sweet dish and can be prepared in few ingredients. So before we start the recipe, please make sure to subscribe my channel, turn on those notification bell for the future updates. To make the sweet and delicious laddu, we are going to take 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, and we are going to sift the flour. That is the important part. Make sure to sift the flours so that no lumps remain. Now let's make the batter. So we are going to add water. I'm going to start with a little water at a time, and we're going to make a smooth batter but little bit thicker. So I have used about 3/4 cup of water to make this batter, and you can check the consistency. It's flowy but yet thick. And to do another test, it should coat the spoon like this, and you can do the test like this. So we want this kind of consistency. Now I'm going to make the bundi using the Ziploc bag. So fill the batter in a Ziploc bag or a piping bag you can use, and then I'm just going to make a cone like this, and we're going to cut off the tip very tiny. We are going to make the cut so that the batter is dripping like this, and then heat the oil on a medium flame, not too high, and then drop the bundis like this. So it's like a small pearls that you want to make. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on your preference, but the smaller the pearls, the laddu looks very good. So this way I'm going to make all the bundis, and this is the easy way. You don't need any tools for this, and we are going to fry until the bubbles stop. So right now you can see it's very bubbly, and now the bubbles have lessened. So now I'm going to take this out because the bundis are crispy, and the best way to take it out is to take it out in a strainer so that all the oil is drained properly, and our bundis have no oil because we are making a sweet dish. So traditionally people fry that in a ghee, but it is too much of a ghee to, and then you cannot reuse it. So I prefer frying it in a oil. So our bundis are ready, and you can fry the bundis like this. Now I'm going to take a food color, a orange food color, about 1 teaspoon, and then add about a half a cup of water. Mix it well, and I'm going to heat a pan and add this colored water in it, and 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your preference, but a half a cup to 3/4 cup is ideal amount. So I'm going to cook until the sugar melts. So right now you can see the sugar is melting, and I'm gradually lowering the heat. Lower the heat and make sure you cook this on a low heat, because we don't want the sugar syrup to evaporate quickly and it becomes very hard. So I'm going to add all the bundis in it and cook on a very low flame. You can see my temperature is about 140 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to cook it very slowly until all the sugar syrup is absorbed in the bundis, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see that it started absorbing. Now I'm going to add little bit of water with some food color because I want my bundi laddus to be very orangey, reddish orange. You can adjust the color according to your preference. Some people like it yellow, some people like it orange. I'm going to cover this and let it sit for 4 minutes on a very low flame. So the bundis have absorbed all the moisture, like all the sugar syrup has been absorbed, as you can see. And now I'm going to turn off the heat, cover it, let it sit for 10 minutes or until it cools down. Now after 10 minutes it's completely cooled. I'm going to add some dry fruits like chopped almonds, but you can also use melon seeds, and 1 tablespoon of ghee, because we have fried the bundi in the oil, so ghee will add the flavor. So we are adding it for a nice flavor. Now mix everything well, and we are going to make laddus. You can make bigger or smaller laddus according to your preference, and it combines very easily. Now I'm going to make all the laddus like this, and we are going to decorate it with some edible silver foil. So here I have silver foil I'm applying on the top. They are very delicate and it's just very sticky, and some pistachios, chopped pistachio. It looks very delicious and very tasty. The contrasting color are perfect. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is very simple yet very tasty prasad you can make. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.